If you have downloaded a template and you are wondering how to customize it to make it perfect for your event, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to edit your template, how you can easily change the text, add your own photos and personal details. Without wasting your time, let's get started. So right now we're inside Canva editor and we have our template right here, and I'm going to show you how to customize it. First, to customize the text, simply click on the text and then type in whatever you want to type in. It's as simple as that. Next, click on the small plus icon and move it around to position it, or go to the upper right here on the position and center it or position it wherever seems right for your design. Click the Upload tab to upload any files or photos from your device. To add filters to your photo, click on the photo and go to Edit on the top right here, and then choose the filter that you want for your photo. For here, I'm just going to use this one and use the black and white one right here, just like that. That's how you do it. If you make a mistake, go to the top and click on the left arrow to undo the changes that you have made. If your template has grouped items, you will need to ungroup them first before you can edit them individually. Simply click on the grouped items and an ungroup button will appear. Click on it to separate the items. To adjust the font size, click on the text and go to the upper top and reduce it or increase it just like this. Another way to change the size is just click on the text and you can zoom out or zoom in, just like I'm doing right now. It's as easy as that. To adjust the transparency of an element or photo, simply click on the photo or element and then go to transparency, then move the slider to decrease or to increase the transparency. The scale goes from 0 to 100. To change the fonts, click on the text, then go to the Fonts tab, then you can scroll to choose the fonts that you like. We can use this one, for example, and then you can just adjust it in place. Any font with a crown icon like this one is not free. It's only for Canva Pro. To change the color of an element or background, click on the element, then go to the Colors tab on top here, and then choose the color that you like for your design. You can also change the photos by going to Photos and dragging the photo into the frame, just like I'm doing. To change the paragraph text, simply click on it until it's highlighted, then replace it with your own words. Once you're done customizing your template, it's time to download it. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click on Share, then scroll down and click on Download. Next, you go to File Type right here, and then you click here, and then you scroll down and go to PDF Print. That is best for printing. Next, you go to Download, and then you download the file, and now it's ready for printing. And that's how you customize your template in Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Canva tutorials and for tips on learning skills you can use to work from home and make money online. And if you want to learn more about Canva step by step, check out my Canva course linked in the description below. Goodbye.